Hey guys, welcome back to
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, the tarp on the Defender has had it. We're coming into winter now and the weather has been pretty wet over the last few weeks.
Yeah, already. So we're going to try and put this in this space back here and have it covered for the winter.
And with this we can also, it will protect the vehicle and we can heat it and put fans in it and have a proper little working garage in tent form. As you can see, we're now in our tent.
Yep, and today we're going to start taking the bodywork off. We're going to start from the top and work our way down and see how far we get.
So we're going to start off by taking the roof off. Along the front, it's pretty simple. There's two screws, one sort of just there, yep, where Lewis is pointing, and then you've got 4 or 5 10mm bolts here that attach the roof to the top of the windscreen surround, and then in the back, as you can see here, just a number of 10mm bolts working all the way back and around, and then the roof will pop off.
And it's worth saying that on the inside there's a captive nut in here that sometimes you need to just grab, stick your fingers through the hole and grab as you take it out.
guys, all of the bolts for the roof are now out. Lewis is working on the last one at the front down there. But what I have just realised is I can't get two out the back here while the door is in the way. So we need to take these hinges off and lift the rear door off the truck. So we're taking the door off at the moment. We've got most of the hinge bolts loose, one of them's being a pain as always. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take these electrics off. We've got the central locking mechanism here and then the washer wiper here. This door probably won't be reused, it's pretty beaten up, but it will be stored outside, so anything electrical that we will put on a new door or back on this door.
So we've got the roof off, and next we're going to try and take the sides, but so you can have a quick look. Yeah, so this is the roof off. We managed to slip it over down the side and take it off. So now to take the sides off, we just got these little brackets. I think we're going to take it off from the body and leave it on the sides. So I think there's just 4. And then at the front, we've got this L-shaped, the black bracket, the L-shaped one there. We did a little homemade one last time. We had the side off over there. So yeah, another 5 minutes or so, we should have the sides off.
Okay guys, as you can see, we've got the sides off. Took about 5 minutes to get them off. Great thing about a Meccano set vehicle, it literally is 4 bolts down the side and the whole thing lifts off. So if I come back a bit, now you can see it's a bit more like sort of pickup or soft top. Okay guys, so we are trying to take out these bolts here. They mount the tub to the chassis outrigger. As you can see, they are in typical Land Rover fashion, rotten beyond belief. So we used a big wrecking bar on it, then a rattle gun, and then finally the ratchet snapped the head off this one bolt. Also in typical Land Rover fashion, because I'm convinced no one's been down here and changed them. They're different sizes, so we've got some 13s and some 12s along here. As has been the case with many of the things, the nut has got stuck in our bit, but fortunately Land Rover preempted this and designed this in perfect size hole into the trim piece there, which means you can knock the nut out of your bit. Okay, we're going to crack on and see how far we can get before all our tools are destroyed. Okay guys, so we're round the back of the truck now, and we've got these which are Torx bits to remove the rear body from the rear cross member. We just nipped out to try and get a new bit because everything we had was sort of rounding it off, and even with a new set, no joy, so we're going to have to cut them off. The problem is that they are threaded into the cross member, so when we cut them off, anything protruding is still going to hold it on, so we might have to try and cut them off quite neatly here and then get some grips on and unthread the studs that are left behind.
So here we go. At the front, when we undid these on both sides, what we didn't realise is this bracket, I've already taken it out, but that bolt there that used to go through that hole, that holds on this bar that holds it down to the chassis. So there's one of them on both sides, and I've taken them out, so that's one step closer.
Guys, take a look at this. We've managed to manhandle the tub off and we're free. Very, very stripped down now, and we can start looking at the condition of the chassis.
Thanks for watching, guys. We're going to wrap it up there today. Make sure you come back.
And make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see more regular updates, head over to our Instagram channel.
Cheers.
Cheers.